Hi, my name is David Geelan. I'm an associate professor at Griffith University. I've been a science educator for quite a while. I started teaching high school chemistry and physics in the late 80s and did that for 6 or 7 years in several Australian states, and then became a teacher educator in Papua New Guinea, again several Australian states, and Canada. I've worked with teachers in South Africa as well. So I've been teaching teachers about physics for a very long time. The goal of this course really is to give you the knowledge and skills to be able to successfully and confidently teach physics in Queensland. We know that you already are practicing teachers, so you would have your behaviour management and marking and records management and a whole variety of the kind of practical skills of teaching under control. So we'll aim to focus on the physics content knowledge so that you're very confident and comfortable with that, and on the Queensland physics syllabus. Now we know that there's changes coming to the senior syllabuses and assessment over the next couple of years, but for the moment we're going to mainly train you or educate you, I hope, around the current syllabus and the current approach to assessment, while keeping out in mind that there are changes on their way. I'll assume that you already know the physics content of the junior secondary curriculum, and that you also have a level of maths that's kind of relevant to that. We'll try and keep the calculus in the course to a minimum, but you'll need to be pretty confident and comfortable with your algebra, and for that there's really no substitute for practice and experience. Spend some time practicing it. I also know that some of you will be more comfortable with some of that content knowledge than others, and so it's always a little bit tricky to figure out where to pitch it. Is it going to be too difficult for some, too easy for others, sound a little bit condescending if you already know stuff that I'm talking to you about? So I hope you'll be patient. There will be somewhere between 100 and 140 people participating in this program over a couple of runs, and some of them will know less than you, some of them will know more. So hopefully it will be comfortable for you, but if you're finding it a bit easy, then you can move forward a little bit more quickly. If you're struggling a bit, ask for help, or spend a bit more time on practice and working on things. I hope that's enough for a start. There'll be an introduction to the course in week 1, and hopefully over the next 16 weeks, we'll do a whole lot of learning and developing together. Thanks a lot.